I don't even know why I keep on buying these. Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. And I'm not 100% sure of what's in this package, but I'm pretty sure that it's yet another sling bag from Kickstarter. And yes, it is. I should really stop buying things from Kickstarter, but this one was actually relatively fast. Pretty nice packaging, I didn't expect that. So this is a sling bag, it's called FINO 4. FINO is a company that have made sling bags before. And this is, I'm not sure, but it might be the fourth one in order. So this one should be better and improved. But I'm not going to get into that nerdy things because FINO themselves have a great video that's showing all the functions of it. What I want to know is, I have a lot of sling bags. It feels like I buy one every month. But this is the one that I wear all the time. I bought this for a vacation a couple of years ago. Very impulse, fast buy. And I've grown to really like it. Mostly because it's the biggest one that I have. It's not the biggest one that I have, but it's the biggest one that is still kind of slim. I have the one from Supreme, but yeah, I like this. I just like it. And the camera it's nice. So I should stop buying sling bags, but I already have another 3 of them coming home. So what I'm curious about is, can I fit all the things that I have in my daily sling bag in this? Because the whole point of this one is that you can fill it a lot, and then it's still slim. I like the packaging. So as we can see, it's very slim, but you can expand it like this, so it becomes a bit bigger. You have a quick strap to adjust it, so it's for the active people. Not for me. And very important, we have a quick release, and this one is a magnet one. Let me see how it works. Yeah, okay, so that's it. Nice, that one was really nice. And then we have our outer pocket for your phone, but also where you can keep a separate pocket for your face mask. And Ziploc, I thought it was going to be only magnetic, but it's Ziploc. In the rear, closest to the body, we have a magnet locked pocket that is quite big. I can fit my whole hand, but it's mainly for your phone. This strap, I don't know what it does. Yeah, you can hang your sweater or whatever from it. And is it only one pocket? Yes, it is. And on the inside, we have another zip pocket and 2 mesh pockets, one big, one small, and this one for your keys. So I think I really think that I'm probably gonna use it sometime at least. And then we have the small pocket for the face mask. That is in the same design. Just so you don't, most people have those face masks you can wear. You just wash it and you can wear it again. And to not contain the stuff that you have in your bag, this one is going to be excellent to have. And then they include a Corona hook. I really like these. I have one on each keychain. Mine's are a lot bigger. I see that this one also functions as a bottle opener. No chain, they could have had that, but I think that Might supposed to be here. Feels like that. But a Corona hook is really nice to have. I never touch any handles anymore. I only use my Corona hook. And this one has a rubber tip, so you can press ATM machines and car machines, etc. Nice one. So, I don't know if you want to see what I have in my bag, but why not? Let's go at it. This is what I have in my EDC bag. And the truth is that I wish I had something slightly bigger so I could fit more. Because what I don't have in this bag that I want to have with me all the time is a multi-tool plier with bits, with both Phillips drive and flathead bits. So let's start with the outer pocket. Of course, a brand new face mask, hand sanitizer, shoe cleaning, hand sanitizer, glasses cleaning, hand sanitizer, glasses cleaning. This is a keychain, as you can see, nothing more than that. Very nice keychain. This is a pen, nothing more than that, of course. And this is my wonderful Baladeo. I used to love this one. Earplugs. I have sensitive ears, so I always have earplugs with me. A tile. A microfiber towel for the glasses is wonderful to have. This one is great. A tripod selfie stick, also great to have. I take pics with of my sneakers with this one. Yeah, you know what it is for my nose. Clear eyes, but this is the Swedish version, not quite as good. Paper napkins for my headache. Mostly allergy pills, some painkillers maybe. Hand sanitizer, chewing gum. Yes, I am obsessed with having my glasses perfectly spotless. So that's why I have several of them. Quick charger and a very long cable, I think 2 meters. AirPods that I don't use, I should replace them with something else actually. Swiss Army knife that I don't use, but this is until I have found a perfect multi-tool. This one, also Kickstarter thing, a smart pen that I actually use more than I thought I would. I have had great use of this actually. And then in the inner pocket, I'm pretty sure that we have cards and cash. Yeah. And we don't have to go into that. So when I think about it, I don't have too much with me actually. It is a lot, but it's not that much. It's mostly things to keep me clean actually. So let's see if it fits in the final 4. The face mask pocket is a great idea, but it could be a bit larger. These doesn't fit. I could force it in, of course. And your standard surgical ones, you know the size of it, they wouldn't fit either. But it's meant to have these cloth ones, these washable ones. Because the other face mask you are throwing away anyway after you have used them. So I could fit it all. I don't want to say that it was no problem. It did fit, but the interior is smaller than my old Adidas bag. This one is just great. I don't need anything else except from this. What I'm missing is a pen compartment. That is kind of nice to have. But yeah, this works. At least it looks a lot better than this one. Can I close this one perhaps? That might be a stretch. Yeah, I shouldn't do this, but it might just work. I just want to see if it works. It did. So yeah, very tight. This one is, it does the job. This one looks better. And if you are that active person and you want to keep everything tight and you want to keep this tight to your body, then this is good. So let me show you what it looks like when I'm carrying it. We have another hook here that I'm not quite sure what it's for. If it is for hanging it up, that would be nice. So yeah. And then if you are that active person that I am not, and you want to go for a bike ride or something, you just do like this. Keep it tight, like this, or behind your back. So it's tight. And want to let it go, just do like this. It is loose again. And for me, this one is very important, the quick release. This one, I really like the magnetic quick release. Aer, A-E-R, has a city sling that I've been wanting to order to Sweden for a long time, but they don't sell it in Sweden, that has these magnetic locks. This is really nice. So, looks like a purse maybe, but I like it. I think I'm going to use it, at least for a couple of days now. But I know that I'm going to go back to this one sooner or later. I always do. I have at least 15 slings, and in the end, I always end up with this one. Thanks for watching. Ask me if you have any questions about the sling. And in my description, you will see Fino's own video with all the functions of it. Yeah. I don't know. I don't remember the price actually. I think it might be 200 euro. I'm unsure. Check the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. So I've worn it for a day now and I got some likes and dislikes. First of all, it wasn't as expected as I thought. The price on PayPal was just over $50, 55 or something. With shipping and taxes, maybe I paid $75, $80. And for that price, I'm totally with it. The whole slim to the body thing, I don't think so. But as you saw, I have really filled it up. But yeah, just try not to touch my mic. It's not very slim to the body. If you only have a few things in it, then it's probably slim to the body. Then I always wear my bag like this, on this side. But I'm guessing that this one is made to have on the other shoulder, because the phone pocket on the rear is impossible to use, more or less impossible to use when you have it like that. But hey, I'm pretty sure that if I use it like this instead, it's much easier. Yes, it is. The other thing that in the pocket is kind of hard. Since I have a lot of things in it, I'm having trouble to use the outer pocket. Another thing that I don't like is the strap is way too small, so it's not comfortable. You see this one, this wide, softened strap is much more comfortable to carry when you have heavy things in your bag or a lot in your bags. And what else? So yeah, I guess that's it. Not too comfortable to carry. Great for the money. Yeah, also, I like this handle because usually, let me see if I can use this as I should. Usually I actually carry my bag like this. And this one is like this. So a handle on your EDC bag or EDC sling is a must for me. This is not official handle, but I use it like that and I like it. And it looks good. So for the money, Absolutely. I absolutely like it. Will I use it instead of this one? I don't think so. Because one other thing that I'm not super happy about is that the gap, I don't know, it feels tight somehow. This one feels better. But I'm really picky now. So Fino, for your 5th version, yeah, make the strap wider so it's more comfortable to use, and maybe even a bit bigger. That's it. So thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, ask me if you have any questions, and yeah, that's it. On to the next unboxing.